You guys some tips on how to use your cash registers properly. One thing that we have found when it comes to your printers is the printer head gets damaged. And one of the main reasons this happens is because you pull your receipts up. Don't do that. You can, but don't. Use a receipt feed button or with a journal detail feed. It's gonna give your journal a little scroll through. When you're tearing your receipt, as I just did, very simple. Pull down into the side. Now on the HK7200 series in particular, there are two printers, your customer and your journal printer. And on front of it, you'll notice it's a printer head. But a lot of people might confuse this for the paper holder. So don't touch it, don't open it unless you need to service your printer head. Open the paper holder instead, which pops open and pops off. Something else we want to mention when you're changing your paper, the paper holder on the printer, once you've put in your paper, you pull the bit of paper back and you close it, you tear off your paper, you put your cover, and you're back to register mode. You find that it won't let you get back to register mode and it's still giving you a paper end warning. A lot of the times, it's because the paper holder hasn't gone fully down. You have to hear a click. If you don't hear a click, you're not good. So once again, when you open it, you'll hear a click or a pop. When you close it, you'll hear another click. So please make sure you hear that before you put your printer cover back on.